Let's go! The silver hunt is on, feel the springtime rush. This path we're on will turn it all to dust.
It's called coin roll hunting. Hidden inside ordinary rolls are survivors of the 1965 Great Currency Heist when silver was swapped for a copper-nickel trick. Find one like this 1964 Kennedy half. But in the anatomy of the edge hunt, the faces don't matter. It's a psychological game played on the sides. After hundreds of copper-striped duds, your eyes blur, your mind drifts until you see it. One edge, pure and ghostly white, cuts through the sea of brown. Your pulse jumps. That's no clad imposter. Whether it's a 90% rarity or a 40 was the eyes, is 40% aware then recover, then enlight rare voices and walking liberty. Spotting one in a roll today is like finding a fossil in your backyard. When that pre-65 silver hits the wood, it sings a high-frequency ping, a tone of real wealth that vibrates in your chest. Unlike those tech darlings dancing on a screen, test is hard mon lady business. The silver hunter is stacking real metal one roll at a time. While others chase volatility on screens, the silver hunter is stacking real metal one roll at a time. And every crack of craft paper, every spill of edges asks the same question. Is today the day? Well, when that white edge finally stares back at you, you realize that history isn't just something you read about in books, it's something you can hold. This is Quicksilver Coin Strike. We're dedicated to the art of the find and the science of the silver strike. Don't let the magic trick of 65 fool you anymore. Hit subscribe. Join our family of hunters.
Yeah, it's 2026, the price is going crazy. 84 troy ounce, my vision ain't never hazy.